guys, my backyard was wrecked yesterday, but we kind of cleaned it up. So we had that, and then it ripped from the wind yesterday. And then we have trash right here, leaves, lights. It like got super wrecked. It never got like this before, but yesterday it was super messy because of the wind. And here I have a mirror. Say hi. Okay, and mirror, big mirror, exercising equipment, running machine, blanket, bike. That's not mine, that is Ashley's. She's over at train, yes. I think my bag is in the garage. No, I don't. But that's Ashley's. For sure. Positive. And it's up here. This is not my house. This is, let's see. Ashley's house. But I live somewhere over there. That's why they let me sit. And that's why I'm in here. Actually, this is, yeah, it's my house, but two different ones. Two different ones. But actually, this is my house. Actually, I only have one house just lying here. I don't know why. Sorry. Yeah. But you don't know what apartment I live in, right? I could be in 1, 3. Let's see. And that's all, I guess. Which New York, that's. I'm making a mess. I live in apartment 3. Okay, so there's my boards. Okay, I'll get a closer look at them. This is Blaze, the one in the green. He's shy, and I had him for like almost 2 years, or yeah, I think 2 years by now. That one shouldn't be shy. She always wants to bite me. Bite me. Bite me. I'll get your tail. Say hi, Phoenix. Here. Maybe there's a closer look right here. They're not gonna get out or anything. That's right there. Inside the food. See if I can find something in here. I can't. I wish I could have. See that here. Oh no, Blaze, you're too shy to meet new people. How about you, Phoenix? You're brave. And you're going away from the camera? Do you think I'm gonna hurt you? No. Huh? Do you think? But you, Blaze. You're just getting away? Follow you. She Phoenix. Blaze. Look at yourself. Need a shower. Which we're not allowed to shower. Oh, there you go. There's a better view. Hi, Blaze. Phoenix. Boyfriend and girlfriend sitting in the tree. K-I-S-S-I-N-G. Phoenix and Blaze sitting in the tree. I'm just kidding. You don't kiss that much. Kiss in the video. I want them to see you. Please. The screen is just turning back because of the there's Blaze. Hi Blaze, you should be cool. Blaze, listen to me. Blaze. Blaze. Hey, don't shush me. Blaze. What did I tell you? Are you showing them your tricks? Because you don't know any tricks. There you go. Phoenix is a girl. And that one you're looking at is a boy. Wait. Next. Make a leg. Next. Not shy, Phoenix. Only if I could hold them, but they would bite me. I'm not going to have it. You guys took it out in the outside bit. I want you to take it out. And yeah, so I was talking about my backyard address, talking about my birds. Oh, you want me to still face you? Okay, I took a picture of you. Which color? Okay, my daddy. Hey, Phoenix. Pay attention. Be shy. There you go. Staring at you like, what's happening? What's happening, Phoenix? Blaze? Whatever you up to, Blaze? Right there. Blaze, say hi. Look at you. Blaze. We got up closer to you. Got up closer. Look what happens when I try to get him. See? Or my tablet. Like, you listen to me, or I treat you wrong. Like I am right now. Moving my tablet, it's moving on its own. There's yet. And look a cute way at them. Lazy. 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 Cute camera. Hold on, I'll be right back. They might kiss during the video. They need some privacy. You guys kissing? Kiss or I'll make you kiss. Kiss or I'll make you kiss. don't distract the camera too much, too much, too much. Adieu. Let's play hide and go seek. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here, we'll give you this commercial without saying anything. Alright, this is gonna be a voice. Let me start it. Buy this new antique chair just for $5. Also get the igloo I set. Okay, time to find you. Where are you? Could you be in your house? I need some pictures. Is that them? Move. That's them. I found you. Picture.